This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my boy pelic quick. They get the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock star.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today is part 4 of the Lincoln Town Car Dash Illumination project. And today I'm going to show you guys how to change out the lenses, the digital part of the lenses on the dash. Also, I'll talk about the heater control modules, lens, how I changed that to red, and also the steering wheel controls, replacing the SMT LEDs in those. So just a quick update, guys. We have actually finished installing the red acrylic lenses to the instrument panel. This was all hand fitted. It was actually cut from a 12 by 12 sheet of acrylic, and basically what I did was I popped out the green lenses, traced them, very carefully cut them out to a rough shape, and then I used a Dremel, one of those drum sanders, to just very slowly take the shape of it. And you can see I fit it pretty well to that. Also, I did the heater control, and it's kind of hard to see, but that is red acrylic as well. Actually, you can see it there. So that came out awesome. Actually, that's pretty much like a perfect fit in there. So the only thing left now is getting these suckers open, which is the steering wheel controls. And I can see the tabs to open them, but I'm having a little bit of trouble, so I got to take my time with this, and then I'm going to get these open and change out the lights or LEDs. I'm sure it's LEDs in these, but you never know. They love to surprise you in this particular project. And then at this point, once the glue dries that's holding in these red acrylic lenses, I can reattach that to the actual gauge face and put the acrylic cover back on that. And then at that point, this is ready for install in the car. But I need to put my attention on these two items, so I'm going to get into these. All right, so there's going to be some tabs along here. You probably want to start at this end very gently. You're going to pry at it, and then at that point you're going to be able to open up the steering wheel switch. So there's the switch itself. It goes into this, and you can see we got some LEDs to deal with, and then on this end there's a membrane that fits in here. So that just comes out. There's the membrane. There's the switch. So I can just clean that up, reinstall that back in here when I'm done. And then I'm going to change out these LEDs, and we'll be able to wrap up this entire project. All right, and we've already removed the LEDs off of this board, and I just marked them so I know where I'm at. And then we're going to install the red LEDs, solder them in, and then snap these suckers back together. And this project is a wrap. All right, so we got these snap back together. These are all set. So the next video in the series will be installing all this stuff. So everything is ready to go in the car now, which is awesome. So I'm going to do a whole video about tearing apart the dash in the next couple weeks. And we'll definitely do a before and after to show you how it was green, and then we changed it to red, and how amazing it's going to look. But anyways, be sure to check out our Panther platform videos. We have a whole playlist of those, and also our how-to videos. And also, thank you so much to the people that have supported us, especially the Panther car community. You guys have been great. So if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.